everyone. Welcome to
Good to Know.
All right. Now, this time we've got a good review. So we're starting to get a lot of stuff to review. More stuff than we can handle. Well, we can handle it, but we want to include you guys with this stuff. So what are we going to do?
We are going to start weekly giveaways.
So the way this is going to work, if you're in the U.S. or Canada,
then we're going to drop ship you the item or ship it directly. You'll get the item that we tested specifically. And if you're not in the U.S.,
we're going to give you a gift card from Amazon
equal to the
value within so many, 50 cents or whatever. It'll be, you'll have enough to buy the product. So hope y'all like that. But there are some few things you have to do. You have to watch the video, and somewhere in this video, it'll probably be near the end, and we'll tell you what you need to do so you can become eligible to win this product or / the giveaway card. So Rebecca's going to go ahead and explain this awesome product we have, and
today I'm reviewing for you this vacuum cleaner for cars and homes. It is called Cleaning Master. It's the model number 8801. It's very lightweight. That's what I like about it, because when you get to a certain age, your joints all start hurting and everything. You don't want anything bulky and heavy. It has a hugely long cord on it, and it has a 12-volt plug-in for your car. So this plugs into your car cigarette lighter, or they don't call them cigarette lighters anymore. They're auxiliary plugs, and that's what powers it. And what I also like about this particular one, it comes with a spare HEPA filter, and that way you can wash one while you're using the other one if you're going to vacuum that often or that much. And these plug right into there, and this is for cleaning your vents or kind of scrubbing something you really need scrubbed. And this one plugs right in like that,
or to get corners.
And it's got a nice extension. Is this the side that plugs in here? Nope. Plug this side in. There we go. So plug that side in, and this hose screws on to these
clamps.
The little, it's like a water hose thingy. And you can put the other extension on there. I'm sorry, I just don't know how to put this in. Well, you can get under your car seats with this one. And it's flexible. Yep, and it also fits the vent cleaner as well. Ta-da! And it comes with a handy carrying case to keep all of these accessories in one spot. It's probably not going to hold, well, yeah, maybe it will. It'll hold the whole thing. Nice. See, that's one thing I didn't know, because we just got it out of the box. We haven't even tried it out yet. So I'm going to go outside with you, and we're going to clean up a little bit of stuff out of my car seat. Not a whole lot of dirt, because I want you to have this clean. Let's go outside.
Actually, we're going to drop ship you
a clean one. Okay.
And we're going to keep this one for
goody. Okay, I'm excited now. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys outside, and we're gonna clean. Okay, it did those crumbs in the seat pretty easy. I'm gonna move down to the floor and get some of that stuff off the floor mat. We don't have a concrete driveway, so we get a lot of these little pieces of grass after we mow. coming up good for the mobile detailing part. I'm not real good at vacuuming a car, to be honest with you, as you can tell. But it's doing a really good job. So I think that's a good enough test run. I like it. It's did a good job. I can see that some of the funk that it picked up, and to empty it out, all I do is push that, and then this comes off, and it's what's holding in the dirt. So it's pretty simple. Just put it back on like that, and it's good to go again. It's a keeper. It all fit nicely in this carrying case, and it can stay in the back seat under my.
And this is not going to replace a wet vac or something like that. It's for general cleanup and dusting your car, picking up stuff. Maybe you had a spill or something.
Well, the kids spilled Cheerios
but
everywhere.
For some deep cleaning, you're going to have to go somewhere for that. This is just for general cleaning and everyday upkeep of your vehicle.
So we're going to do the giveaway next Sunday, which would be
on the 18th.
August 18th, 2019, after 7 a.m. Eastern Time.
So at 7 a.m. Eastern Time, that's the cutoff.
That's the cutoff.
Because we'll be filming. As soon as we get it filmed, we'll go ahead and post it, and we'll give you 1 week from that day to contact us. So from the following Sunday after that, and we'll say that when we do the drawing. If you don't contact us by then, we will choose another winner. And if you're overseas, if you're not from the U.S. or Canada, you're overseas, you'll have the option of getting a
Amazon gift card.
So we're going to start doing this once a week. And
we'll see how that turns
out. Who knows what we might give away. So, all right. We want to thank y'all for coming and checking out Good to Know. I'm John.
I'm Rebecca.
And y'all hit that like button.
And please subscribe and leave us a comment with that word.
Tell all your friends we're giving stuff away. For the magic word is
Cleaning Master.
So if you want to win this, you have to type in
Cleaning Master in the comments.
If it's close enough, we get it. The thing is, we cannot comment back because that puts our name into the drawing too, because it'll be on that line. So
right. Now, if you have any general questions, we will answer them after the drawing.
After the drawing, we can answer any questions you have or any of that stuff. All right. Hey, Sheriffs, tell everybody we're giving stuff away here.
That's
all right.
Absolutely.
See y'all next time.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
I like it.
Good little cleaning.